In this video, I'll guide you through how to remove a domain from Ionos by turning off its automatic renewal. This is useful if you don't want to keep paying for a domain, or if you simply don't need it anymore and want it to expire on its own. We're going to walk through the process step by step so you know exactly what to click and what to expect afterward. First, make sure you're logged in to your Ionos account in your web browser. Once you're signed in, look for the section in your dashboard labeled Domains and SSL. This is where Ionos groups all of your domains and related security settings. Go ahead and click on Domains and SSL to open the list of all domains associated with your account. On the Domains and SSL page, you'll see a list of your registered domains. Take a moment to carefully find the exact domain you want to remove. This is important because disabling automatic renewal on the wrong domain could cause a site or email address you still use to go offline when it expires. Once you're sure you've selected the correct one, click directly on that domain name to open its settings. After clicking the domain, you'll be taken to a detailed settings page for that specific domain. Along the top or within the navigation of this page, look for a tab or section called Renewal and Transfer. This area controls how your domain renews and how it can be moved between providers or accounts. Click on Renewal and Transfer to open those options. In the Renewal and Transfer section, you should see information about your current renewal status, including whether automatic renewal is enabled. To remove the domain from your account at the end of its current term, you'll need to disable this auto-renew feature. Look for the option or button labeled Disable Automatic Renewal and click it. When you click Disable Automatic Renewal, Ionos may ask you to confirm your decision. This is a safeguard to prevent you from accidentally letting a domain expire. Read any on-screen message carefully so you understand what will happen next, then confirm that you do want to turn off auto-renewal for this domain. Once automatic renewal is disabled, the domain will not be renewed at the end of its billing period. Instead, it will remain fully active and usable in your account until its expiration date. You can still use it for your website, email, or any other connected services during this time. Nothing stops working immediately just because you've disabled renewal. After the expiration date passes, Ionos will remove the domain from your account. At that point, you will no longer be billed for it, and you won't be able to manage it from your Ionos dashboard. In many cases, expired domains go through a grace or redemption period defined by the registry, but that can involve extra fees or limitations if you decide you want it back. So, before disabling auto renewal, be sure you're comfortable with eventually losing control of that domain. If you change your mind before the expiration date, you can usually return to the same renewal and transfer tab and re-enable automatic renewal as long as the domain is still active. That flexibility gives you a bit of time to reconsider. That's all there is to it. By going to Domains and SSL, opening your domain, visiting the Renewal and Transfer tab, and disabling automatic renewal, you allow your Ionos domain to expire and be removed from your account automatically.